Hello, Lexington Von Stripes here, or some people call me at school Miss Furry. Okay though, but Lexington Von Stripes here, and today I discovered how to make a Dutch angel dragon noise. You're probably like, what's Dutch angel dragon noise, Rachel? Or Lexington, or Lexi, whatever you want to call it. Oh my Jesus, it smells so bad over here. But I want to get to my hideout so bad. It's so humid out here. It feels like it's been raining for 2 hours. I haven't been outside for a long time because of the weather down here in Oklahoma. I just walked through Spiderweb. Yeah, you're probably wondering, oh, what's a Dutch angel dragon, Rachel? Well, just look up telephone the furry. You'll find out for yourselves. But yeah, I found out how to make their noise. No, I can't talk with it in my mouth because I don't know how to. I can try. I speak to it, but I can try. How about it? I'm struggling. That can get annoying so fast. And that's what you're going to be getting on this channel. Annoyingness. That was probably loud as flip. I'm on a no cussing van thing right now. So I'm way far away from my house. I'm pretty sure they can still hear me. So that's fun. Pretty sure that was my grandma's just coming outside. What the fuck? Hearing a little bit just squeaking back here. Back here in my forgotten place. That's a beautiful sight, though. Like, over in front of me. Don't mind all the trash down here. That was what used to be the sport. I need to take this squeaker thing out of my face, or out of my mouth. Zoomed in too close. Who are you? I don't know who I am, to be honest with you, my lover. Is it your name Sebastian? Yeah, jackass. I don't know who you are. Leave me alone. I'm Sebastian. Who are you? Oh, hello. I'm your ex. Oh, hello. I'm your ex. Oh, hello. I'm your ex. X, Echo, X, Rachel. Hello, I'm your ex, Rachel. I have no amusement on my face right now, other than a dog squeaker in my mouth. Oh, hello, I'm your ex, Rachel. I'm gonna just be repeating it the whole time. What? How much sure? I have like 0 service out here. Oh, and my gigabytes are on. That's a beautiful sight, though. Amazing. My camera's shut. Just imagine if someone accidentally swallowed this, so every time they would talk, they'd sound like like that, that'd be annoying as fuck. Reminds me of those noise makers you have at parties. Din, 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 din. Oh no, my battery's at 20%. Oh my god, like I give a shit. Well, I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys, and hopefully y'all are having a awesome day. And admire that beautiful sight up there. Amazing. Also, the beautiful sight up this way. It doesn't look as beautiful through the camera, but it's beautiful from my angle. From my point of view. Oh my god, that hurts. Freaking mosquito bit me. But yeah, hopefully y'all are having a awesome day, spiderwebs. Bye guys, I heard coyote, so bye guys.